How to make sentences from the word happy. Happy means feeling or showing pleasure, or happy means pleased. Actually, to use the word happy in sentences, you can read this type of thing, that is structures. Happy to do something, happy for somebody, happy about something, dot dot happy that, or happy with somebody or something, and happy about somebody or something doing something. I think this structure will be easy for you if you look at the example sentences. Happy to do something. Ami, Ami is happy to eat her. Omi is happy to eat her favorite ice cream. Happy to do. Here, do means eat. Sam is happy to read a bedtime story. Happy for somebody. Zack is happy for his friend. Here, somebody means friend who got a new toy. Here, who is modifying the noun his friend. Mia is happy for her sister who did well in school. Happy about something. Tommy is happy about his shiny new bike. Lily is happy about her colorful drawing. Happy that. Emma is happy that it is her birthday today. Lucas is happy that he can play with his toys. Here is the another structure, happy with somebody or something. Sophie is happy with her fluffy teddy bear. Liam is happy with his delicious ice cream. Happy about somebody, something, doing something. Zoe is happy about her dog doing something, chasing its tail. Oliver is happy about his mom baking yummy cookies. I think you have understood what I want to say to you. Here are more examples. Happy to do something. Lily is happy to swing at the playground. Max is happy to help his mom with chores. Happy for somebody. Emma is happy for her cousin who got a new puppy. Oliver is happy for his friend who got a birthday gift. Happy about something. Mia is happy about the colorful balloons at the party. Leo is happy about the big delicious cake. Happy that. Sophie is happy that it's time to go to the park. Henry is happy that he can ride his bike. Happy with somebody, something. Timmy is happy with his fluffy teddy bear. Shara is happy with her tasty ice cream. Happy about something, somebody, something, doing something. Jew is happy about her cat chasing a butterfly. Liam is happy about his dad playing catch with him.